In 2007, the Institute for Digital Fabrication was invited to create an exhibit for the Indianapolis Museum of Art. This exhibit was created by Ball State students in a unique collaboration with industry professionals and the IMA museum staff. Limestone footings, wooden frames, and a plastic backlit armature were all a part of the design concept that the students developed. Indiana Limestone was one of the industry partners that worked on the project.
The students actually created the drawings, and we took their 3D model type drawings and put them through our software with our SurfCam software to create the G-code, and the stones were actually fabricated from the students' drawings on our CNC equipment.
To create wood frames and plastic shelves for the exhibit, students used Institute for Digital Fabrication's new Thermwood machine, temporarily located off-site at Arrowhead Plastics in Eaton, Indiana. Arrowhead employees donated their time to mentor students on the project.
The Thermwood machine is basically a 3-axis CNC router. How this machine works is the students do what we call a CAD model, which is a digitized version of what the part looks like. Once that is done, they go ahead and create what we call a tooling path, which then takes that digital model, tells the machine how to program, how to trim, how to move, and how to cut the parts. That in turn is fed into the machine, and the machine performs those functions.
Basically what we're doing is we're sandwiching a bunch of layers of wood so that we can make a mold for our vacuum form machine. We're going to basically stack all this wood up to make a 3-dimensional mold, and then we're going to heat the plastic up and form it over that, so we'll get a smooth plastic piece that's the same shape of the mold, obviously.
At the Indianapolis Museum of Art, students worked to optimize the features of the exhibit space.
The room we have at IMA is basically 38 feet by 18 feet, and we have this whole room and we can put things anywhere. So we really want to use the entire space and have it as an entire experience.
The students not only brought in the objects and the models, but they also created the infrastructure for the exhibition. And this is the first time that we've seen something created off-site and then completely assembled in the gallery.
On May 30th, 2008, a special closing reception was held to commemorate the finished manufacturing material effects exhibit. This digital fabrication project demonstrates immersive learning at its best and the special relationship that can be forged between students and industry.